Hi everybody, I'm back again. I have 12 more minutes for my eggplant, and I just saw that I got a package. So I'm gonna show everybody what I got, and then I'm gonna also do some quick meal prep for my turkey for tomorrow's lunch. I got these really cool Christmas cookie molds. I got this fall cake pan. I also got a holiday cake pan. So it has a snowflake, a snowman, and the fall one is just a bunch of different leaves and an egg form. I got these little molds for cookies as well, I think. Or actually, you could use them for the pancakes too. They have there's a penguin, there's all sorts of things. I got this pink Toy Story spatula. It's the little pig from the Toy Story. Probably for my niece. She loves pink. I got some boxes for my little cakes. What else did I order? Oh, I got the ice cream sandwich maker. And I also got these cute little Toy Story pancake molds and stencils. Let me open them. So they're silicone, so that would be Buzz's head. You just put it down on the pan, you'll pour your batter in it, and then you'll have a little Buzz, the little alien guy. This is Woody. And then it also comes with the faces, so you could use some powdered sugar and you make their faces. So it's really fun for the kids. You could get them to eat their breakfast. That was my latest order. And I have 8 minutes, so I'm going to just do some quick turkey meat for my lunch tomorrow. And I'm going to throw some onion in it. So I'll use my new favorite, quick slice. You just literally stick it in. And it slices it for you, like that. And then you can rotate it the other way. And it will just dice it. These little tiny pieces. So over here, I have my stainless steel skillet, the top. Turn this on. Get some oil. And I'm going to cook this onion. Oh, I have a little bit more onion over here I'm going to slice. my favorite mix and chop. And turkey meat. We'll let this cook for a minute or two. This pan has this mesh, the non-stick, and it really helps everything to cook evenly. Sorry about that. I'll add my taco meat, turkey meat, I mean. Usually I make it for tacos, but so I'll use my mix and chop. So just like that. Dices it all up. I'll let that cook a minute. And I'll get my air fryer trays to finish off my dinner for tonight. Hi, Charlotte. I've decided to do the 30-day challenge with Arbonne. So I'm like you and I'm eating gluten-free. No sugar. It's going pretty well. Use some of my seasoning salt for some flavor. Yeah, 2 more minutes and then our eggplant pizzas will be ready to go. Almost done. Put this on so it cooks a little better. Cook it all the way through. Now get ready over here. 4-hour pizzas. I do need a bowl. So we're just gonna mix the cheese Just mixed the cheese and the Italian seasoning together. And then I have my olive oil. And I have my sauce right here. But first we're gonna have to cook the eggplant for a little bit. We're almost all dried out. Alexa, stop. Okay, so now we have to wipe these off. Get all the excess water out so they don't get soggy. And it's almost dinner time, so these will have to cook for about 15 minutes. I'm just going to add a little bit, I don't know where my brush is, so I'm going to use this. A little bit of olive oil. Flip them over, get the other side. Thanks for watching, Charlotte. Hope I'm not making you too hungry. Bring you over with me to the air fryer. I'm gonna put this one on the bottom. Get this other one. And I'm going to put it onto roast 375 for 15 minutes. So I will let that cook and I will check back.